Hello, welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we are going to talk about the continuation of our mason jars that we did on part 1. Now what I want to say is for the freezing techniques of how to use these, everybody, please listen up carefully. If you're going to be doing your stocks and your soups for storing into these mason jars, okay, the directions say, this is what it says. Make sure your liquid is, cool down, okay? And before you put the tops on, okay? You can pour your hot beverages in here because they do it for the jams and stuff like that, okay? You can do that. You can pour your hot soups in here. But let it cool down first, okay? Cool down. Then you place the jar in the freezer without the top. Do not put the top on there first, everybody, because it's going to be pressurized and you need room for your stuff to swell and to get thicker, and it's going to swell in the jar, everybody. It needs air to breathe for that, okay? So what you're going to do is have your soups in here cooled off. You're going to put it in the freezer, okay? Let it freeze. Then put your lids on there, everybody, okay? After the freezing takes place, it needs room, okay? So I just want to say that part. I didn't say that in the part 1, but then when you take them out, you just set it at room temperature and just let it thaw out nicely, or you can put it like in a little pan of cold water, okay? And just set it in there, and it's going to thaw out during the day, nice and slowly, okay? I wouldn't rush it. Okay, I wouldn't do that. You don't want to do that with glass and then put it in hot water and it's frozen. No. Okay, make sure you guys read the directions. I just want to say that for Mama Soul Kitchen, Listen with Granny, Cooking with Granny, and all that stuff. And you like what you hear, go ahead and follow us on YouTube. We have a lot more tips in the kitchen that's coming up soon as well. We're going to get this one cleaned off so we can use this one. I heard that. All right, you guys, we'll see you soon. Happy holidays from Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen.